Buenas tardes, les vengo a hacer la presentación de Travel Itinerary Let's Go to China. Mi nombre es Carlos Alzate. Introduction of the place. Before you decide to visit China, you are able to discover one of the most fascinating countries in the world. When you consider what to visit in China, you may be little overwhelmed. There are a lot to see in China. The distances are immense. At the cheese school is told we see complicate, but don't worry. Of the two trips to China only one, we can assure you that everything is much easier than it seems. In education, we work with your organization. Your trip to China in detail, depending on the days you have or vacation. We are going to propose several roads through China in 10, um, 30 of 21 days to head the months on of rural trip to China. You are ready? Let's go to China. Duration of the trip, you can choose with different types of trips because China is diverse country with large modern cities and protected natural areas. Stay in China in one or two series. A trail make trip with cultural and tourist activities out of China to the main place in the region of destination. A road trip through the Chinese territory. In general, it's impossible to reserve between 5 and 10 days for a stay or trip format, and really between 10 and 12 days for a tour. Men wild road trips can take anywhere from 7 days to a year. On the contrary, it is advisable to stay less than 5 days in China, since it will not be profitable due to the flight time, which is 2 days in total. Therefore, it is illegal to stay on a bridge in China. Only it is a store per week and a road trip in Asia. Method of transportation. China is a strong transportation system. Generally, the transportation in the series of China varies a lot from one city to another. Many of the large metropolises have accomplished metro networks that, in many cases, are in the process of being expanded. In many cities, the subway is the best way to the urban, such as Beijing, Shanghai, Guangzhou, Guangzhou, and Kunming, and the transportation system it will anticipate allow you to head around comfortably. The subway train bus, taxis, sushi, queues provide essential transportation despite the language and misunderstandings with drivers. They are the most convenient way to the Aron. Public visits are one of the best means different transportation in China to the heads around the Swiss. So you have to count correct transportation situation in cities when you want to the travel to China. Activities to the wall on the Great Wall of China, one of the most spectacular engineering works in the world, and so not it can't be seen from space. The ace is told it a day trip from Beijing. There are several perfectly prepared stores. We went to the miniatin and we recommendation it is box we told you how to visit the Chinese wall on your or a tour with it or and it is very simple. Two, Canon Shanghai is one of the issues that we leave pending. We skip in our new fixed trip there to a minute of time, but we are sure that we will return to China and then we can wander around Cebu and see its colonial house, take its free tour, or fall in love with its famous skyline. When we do not lack activities to do, three, where we did enjoy summery warm full days were in the capital. Peking was on the final punch in the streets under the welcome whose white air, radiant sun and a blue sky, which radiant sun and the blue sky which will remain for the next 6 days, apparent in something very unusual. So it was no time and curve in up and down, and probably when run on of time belief of Beijing is much more than the forbidden series delicious dumpling in this pot with the your everything you can see it and with the berry activity tools for one of China Gray supports was versus you this milestone to turn just 18 kilometers from Julians and very big the Lily River is so indeed to be spectacular ceremonies and viral last kept or advice of two rains and basically to do once the surut linked the Pico de la Luna in 6 months and of the course take about tour estimate about 100 200 yens is period so that it there and interesting facts the 20 yens not as the those with larger ramps on this is ways or passes the truth was shoot. appear to be flying at the same distance from Yulin, but in the opposite direction at the lowering racetracks in Lochen. They are super pretty, they look fake. They're really kickstarted where you in with the swan heading grow more than 700 yards above. Activate to the sex, although its big talt ever charming corner to we canon for it pigeon, one of the most beautiful media stops in China, which seems to have been stuck in the Itinerary era. It is located in the province of Shaanxi, halfway between Xi'an and Beijing, so it can easily be included in an itinerary during your visit. Do not miss the wall, the Sheri Temple, and the Xualing Temple, Puntashu in Panjao. You will super will Harold will tell you. Activities to 700 waves I first visit Villa of Spain and the following day in the big and beautiful city of Xi'an. Is you walk through these streets and adventures, you will find lots of attractions, such as the tombs and the billboards. The world are the Muslim quarter, but the important thing is to make an excursion to meet the terracotta warriors and allows you can do it yourself and go be bush. This is like with the urging up for an organization tour. What you chose, we answer you like you will be surprised more than you expected. This is our package introduction. Please to stay where to book accommodation for China. A god. Here you can feel from hotels and resorts to hotels and houses. Looking as recognition is complete, you can begin the comments of the user and learns to book trip. In his church again you can also church for tanks, streets, tours, event tickets and fill it. And they preach start the fighting euros per night, but they of our you cannot run or hoods for you. In addition, in course, you operation of restaurant and experience. This corner account for orange flags operation. It also of accommodation opinions and every car than 90 links rates and similar to Iber. The best area for accommodation in China, in Beijing, Yudan, Choudan Park, and Xi'an, which are cheapest in and cheapest alts, are also warranty pins and installations in Shenzhen, Lohu District, Nashan, and the Squali in Shanghai, in Podok, Nervin Road Chudu, and the Fix Contribution in Tiarts, and Bailin, Lianshu, Shenzhen, and Downtown Xi'an, in Anhausen, in the square of Shuilingwa ocean and